everyone, welcome back to my video. So today I'm gonna show you my RFID Arduino system. So after I explain the code, I'm gonna show you the actual output of the RFID system at the end of this video. So let's get right into it. So starting with the sketch here, we have the library includes and hardware definitions. So this line here from line 1 to 10, as you can see, uh, we have the include here for SP1H. This enables the serial peripheral interface communication, which the RFID reader uses to send data to Arduino. We also have the include MFRC522. So this is specific library for the RC522 RFID module. We also have the wire.h. So this enables the I2C communication. This is only used for LCD. We also have the liquid crystal I2C. So this is the library that controls the 16 by 2 LCD via the I2C adapter. And we have the liquid crystal I2C here for the LCD. And this is the column and rows that addresses this LCD. And we have the define SS pin 10. So this is the digital pin that control the RFID reader. And we also have the MFRC522 for the physical scanner. And now let's proceed to the variable declarations here. And as you can see, we have the int AUX here 4. So this is an array that has a list of 4 numbers that temporarily holds the ID of whatever card is currently being tapped. And we have the int card 1, and this is the safe array. This stores the ID of the card that the user registers as the master key. And we have the int flag equals 0 here for the status marker. If it's 0, the system registration mode, once a card is saved, it switches to 1 for access mode. And we have the int CNT. So this counter to check how many bytes of a scan card match the register card. And let's proceed to the function here. We have the function setup. So we have the serial begin here. So this is the communication line between the computer and Arduino. We have the serial print in. So this is for the serial monitor. So it says RFID access system starting. And we also have the LCD initialization and the backlight. Let's proceed to the SPI begin and the MFRC522 PCD initialization. So this starts the communication bus and turns on the RFID reader's antenna. And we also have the LCD print in here, and it shows the RFID reader ready. And let's proceed to the LCD print. So this is the tap the card here in the LCD, and shows the cursor, which is 01, and the print here to register. So this is the 0 and the 1. And let's proceed to the loop function here for the detection. So if MFRCB 522 PICC is the new card present, then the return if no card is near. The rather the code stops here and the card starts to loop over. And if the MFRCB 522 PICC read card serial, then if the card is detected but the ID can't read, it's restart the loop. And we have the 4 byte here for the IO less than MFRCB 522 UID size. This is a iterated for loop. So this loop takes 4 unique bytes from the scan card and copies them into the AUX array. And we have the logic here for the registration and for the validation. So this is the logic behind of the code or the brain itself. So if flag equals to 0, so this is for registration here. So you can see we have the LCD here clear, LCD print card registered. So when the card is stopped, it will show this print in the LCD. And this is for the location for the card, for the text which is printed. And we have the 4 byte I equals 0, and it's I less than MFRC 522 UID size iteration. So this is the code copies foreign card ID into the master key or the memory card. And we have the LCD print card 1. So this is the to show the card ID in the hexadecimal format from 09 and A to F, and it's printed. So if the card is flagged by 1, it shows the validation here. So this is the crucial step, and it has a delay for 3 seconds, and it has LCD clear and LCD print, and the print is tap the card, and it also has the LCD set cursor, so which is the location of the text, which is the access. And we have the validation here for the else function. So in the else function, we have the CNT equals 0. So this resets the match counter to 0 for every new scan. So if the AUX I card, it compares the card. So when the card is stopped by the AUX, it's against the registered card. So it only matches if the bytes matches, then the CNT goes up. And if the CNT is doesn't, then meaning all bytes, it triggers access allowed. And else is access denied. So if even 1 byte is different, then it triggers an access denied. So I think that's all for this code. So I'm gonna show you the actual output of the RFID system. in a minute. So this is the actual output of the RFID Arduino system. So as you can see, we have the Arduino Uno here, the LCD, and the RFID scanner, and we have the RFID card. So I'm gonna tap the card into the scanner. So as you can see, it shows the hexadecimal UID, and it goes back to the loop. And when I show you the serial monitor, it should show the RFID access system starting. RFID reader is ready. So this is when the RFID Arduino Uno starts, and when I scan the card, it shows the card detected and the UID, and the card registered as authorized. So when I tap the card again, it should show access granted. There we go, access allowed. So I think that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoy.